Spiders like to sneak into homes and hide in dark, quiet areas. Check out a few tips to keep spiders out of your house. 1. Seal entry points. Make sure spiders can't slip into your house. Fill holes, cracks, and gaps with caulk. Repair or replace torn screens. 2. Keep your home clean. Vacuuming and sweeping can help to remove spiders and their eggs. Dust and knock down any webs you find. Minimize clutter to reduce hiding spots. 3. Get rid of other pests. Spiders eat bugs, so you'll want to keep your home bug-free. Remove attractants, including crumbs and spills. Keep food and your pet's food in sealed containers. 4. Minimize moisture. Spiders are attracted to damp areas. Repair or replace leaky pipes and faucets. Make sure your appliances aren't leaking. Use a fan or dehumidifier to reduce moisture buildup. 5. Use a plant-based insecticide dust. Our spider and insect dust kills spiders and other pests on contact and provides residual repellency. You can apply dust in areas where you have seen spiders and where they like to hide. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.